I was out for a spring turkey hunt and seeing lots of birds. There was just one problem. There was too many pigs around. Miss Piggy, who is huge, and all her piglets showed up and wouldn't leave, so I had to give them some encouragement.
Mark fresh pecans they sit in the back seat of my speedometer reads 90. The gas gauge says
It was crazy windy that afternoon. My pop-up actually blew over twice and I had to pull it back down while there was birds and pigs in the area. That wind caught my arrow and kind of drifted it and shot that pig a bit far back. Now Miss Piggy was a celebrity at the ranch. She was bottle raised and therefore off limits, but her piglets were fair game. A small compensation for that crosswind sure helped my shot. Miss Piggy didn't get the memo, but the rest of her piglets sure did. Now that they've finally cleared out, I had opportunity to let the turkeys get in close. I'm screeching to a halt. This'll be a day they won't forget when I'm gone. The vast majority of the time, I am my own cameraman while I'm out bow hunting. This time I actually got burned though. I sure could have used a cameraman to turn that camera a little bit when this gobbler started leaving the scene, and I had to take my shot while I had my chance. Off to a different ranch that is also covered up in pigs. We were unsuccessful varmint hunting, but we found lots of piggies.
Since you said goodbye, I'm standing on solid ground. But I still took the fall. It's okay that I'm feeling down.
Judging the range on a moving target has got to be one of the toughest things to do while bow hunting. I definitely swung and missed on this one, but I was lucky enough to get a second shot at this piglet. You guessed it, we're not in South Texas anymore. This is footage from my buddy Jesse's archery black bear hunt up in Ontario, Canada, and he got a great boar.
just might.